Nice job. They overly.
Look, I was already wrapped up and everything. Of course, Larry.
Oh yeah. Nice. Mahi Mayhem!
No matter how your time is spent on the water, Wholesale Marine has the parts and supplies that you need at the price you want. At Wholesale Marine, our associates have over 500 years of combined boating experience to help you make the most of your time on the water. Visit wholesalemarine.com.
All right, you guys, day 2 on the Conchs fishing camp. We got Braden here from Furuno on board. We're gonna go offshore and we're gonna go look for some mahi. Tell us what Furuno has new for us.
Absolutely, Jack, thank you. What we have here is we're using Sirius fish mapping with our version 2 software update. And what fish mapping is going to do is it's going to tell you where they think you're going to catch mahi. They're also going to show you the strength of plankton fronts and show you the strength of sea surface temperature fronts. So if you look on the chart here, we've got a 4 on our plankton front and we've got another sea surface temperature front right here coming close together. That should be a really good hot spot for catching mahi or catching any fish where they want to sit on that plankton and in that upwelling and in that temperature change. We've also got up to the north, these shaded areas, that's showing us where they're predicting to be the best mahi fishing for the day. So this area here, should produce some fish. We're thinking maybe down here would produce some fish as well. Fish mapping is just to help you save fuel so you can get on the fish and stay there longer.
Now you can actually see, like where we've worked this line. So this is a plankton line, and number 4 would be better than number 3. So you can see like where we've come in here, then found fish, and actually worked it, and then started making our way back. But yeah, all in these areas, so it's just more knowledge. Here's also too, the different temperature breaks that are out there. So you can, this is today, so this is old stuff that I've done, the past few days. But, every day gets updated all the time.
Yeah, what's interesting too is you can actually, if you want to, you can touch on the screen and you can get your sea surface temperature. So we're looking at 84 degrees right there. And then we move off that area a little bit, we're looking at 83 degrees. So we've got a 1 degree temperature break. And sometimes that's all that takes to hold fish.
A lot of times what you'll see too on my tracks that I have set up, you'll see the different colors. That's also tracking the temperature breaks. So as I'm running out, I don't have to always monitor the number. It's doing it for me by my track colors.
Yeah, that's called our variable tracks. We can do that by sea surface temperature. We can also do that by bottom hardness. We can also color your tracks by the day of the week now. So definitely some interesting new stuff.
Just keep him like that. Just keep him like that. You see how he's facing? Yeah. Keep him that way next to his boat so I get a good gas shot. Good job.
Nope. You can hang on top of here.
Streaming reels.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
There you go, Skippy. Very nice. Kim. Come back. So watch them trollers. But
There they are right there.
here. Here you go, Jared.
Yeah.
Use the anchor trusted by professionals. Fortress anchors are designed lighter, set faster, and provide stronger holding power than the competition. For the best value in anchoring safety and convenience, use the legendary Fortress anchor.
Guys, grab a bait.
Yeah, one of the good parts about these key jigs, you don't even need a bait. And also it's good like for trolling when you're like pitch baiting in the bow. And yeah.
Come on, cat. There you go.
Alright, so when we're mahi fishing, I always like to have a rig ballyhoo ready, a nice big rig ballyhoo in case a big mahi comes up or anything, you know? Something easy to pitch and throw. And I always like to break the tip of this beak off at the beginning of when I'm rigging this ballyhoo so the skin comes off. Because that skin right there, you'll be rigging it and that copper wire will just slide off. And now I'm just going to take it on the left side or right side of the gill, it doesn't matter. And you can measure it too. See where it's gonna come out. So you want it to be sitting like that. Measure where it's gonna come out. Put it through. You wanna kind of push his head down to help you get that hook in there. And you're just kind of pushing that hook in there and then you come out. And then you pull this a little bit, get that hook situated in there. It's gonna be sitting just like that. I take this copper wire and go around both gills. And then I go under the bottom jaw, out the top jaw. And then I'm gonna come around and go through the eye one time. Come to the eye. A lot of people poke the eyes out with a stick or whatever, but it makes it easier on you. But it is what it is. I got that through there twice, and now you're ready to just wrap all the way down the beak. Now you're just gonna wrap, make sure it's tight. Wrap all the way down until your copper wire is done. And then take your scissors or whatever you have, cut the rest of the beak off, give you a little bit of room to work with, and then there's your freshly rigged ballyhoo.
No matter how your time is spent on the water, Wholesale Marine has the parts and supplies that you need at the price you want. At Wholesale Marine, our associates have over 500 years of combined boating experience to help you make the most of your time on the water. Visit wholesalemarine.com.
Keep that fish right there in the water.
Got him. Got him. The gapper. Take your time. Take your time. Nice pull. Stick him. Good fish. Open the box. Good job.
If you're headed out for a day on the water, make sure you visit Tom Thumb Food Stores. Get your food, drinks, fuel, and ice all in one place. Perfect for your on-the-go Florida lifestyle. Fast, fresh, friendly. Tom Thumb Food Stores.
There they are, right there behind the boat. I got him. I got him! God, there's a lot of dolphins right here. We need this one, boy. Got that one right there. All day, dude. We'll take them. Get ready with that gap. Yeah, dude. Stick them. Woo, there we go. Good job. We'll weigh that one. We'll put that one on the scale. We got some decent fish.